Connie, how are you? Hi, Connie.
Hi.
What you doing?
I am the leader, and Jane's the follower.
Oh, well, there's Jane.
Better.
Jane, you're on camera.
Who paddles better?
I don't know. Jane's not paddling. You're on video, Jane. You gonna say anything, Jane?
Man or woman?
Oh, your paddle.
No, you're not gonna paddle. Jumped off the bridge.
Jane, your paddle. Uh-oh.
What happened?
I guess we're gonna have to take the snacks away.
That sucks.
See, she can't do both.
Yep. Okay, Jane, you gotta reach over and get your paddle. Whoops, sorry. Okay, Jane, reach over and get it. Oh, God.
Grab it.
Quit eating the crackers. You didn't even try.
Hey, she knows. She's got it made. She's got a driver.
Well, I'm gonna have to take her crackers away. Say hi, guys.
Hello.
Say hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Here we are. What's today's date?
August
28th.
27th.
27th, 28th.
27. It's pretty out.
Yeah, pretty good.
The weather's, there's Jane's oar, and where is Jane? Okay, Jane. Yeah, say hi. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm ordering.
Yeah, you got to get your oar.
All right. It'll be on this side, your right side.
Tuesday.
Got to get it, Jane. Don't worry about the crackers. There it is. There it is. There. Reach over. There. Oh, reach, reach, reach. You got to want it. Reach. There you go. You're such a good little boater. Have fun.
Okay.
Okay, when dinner starts,
I've actually gone
have fun.
75.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I thought I turned it off.